Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. Okay, I admit it. I slept on Harry Styles' new album, Kiss all the time, disco occasionally, and it's about time to bring up some songs from that album. If you're a fan of Harry, then yes, you will have to check out my tutorials here. We're gonna start with this cool song, Taste Back. I fell for his first, so this is very simple to play and no need for any setup here, so let's go into it. We have 4 chords, I believe, so let's start with the chords. We're gonna play C first. Alright, so that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is the A minor, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next is F, and we have 2 options here. I would go with this full bar chord, so you place the index finger on the 1st fret to push down all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. You can also go with the shorter version, kind of F major 7 or so. So that will be 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E, or 1st E. It's up to you. And why I give you this shorter version is because we're gonna quickly shift to the D minor next, and that could be a little bit more in that area to go with the shorter version of F and then go to the D minor, which is like this. But still, when you play the full bar chord, you will get the full chord, the full spectrum of this chord, and you have this 2nd fret G string in that F chord, which goes into the D minor as well. So very convenient there. In my opinion, I would go with this bar chord. So we've spoken a lot now about D minor. Let's go into that chord so you will understand how it connects. So you're gonna play open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And that is the last chord. So C, A minor, F, D minor, and back to A minor. That is 1 chord progression around. That just keeps going in the same way through the entire song. So yeah, how do we play this? We have 1 full string pattern that is about 8 downs, okay? And if you grab the first chord C, I would play like this. Okay, so we have some nuance on that strumming. So that means I play on the bass strings for all these downs, except from the 4th and the 7th down. I try to go down on the higher strings and focus on them. And then all the other ones I play in the bass mid area, so. That will follow the rhythm of the song. So a couple of rounds with C goes like this. Okay, but then we have to split it into 2 parts. So a split in the middle will be necessary here, because you're gonna play F part 1 and D minor part 1 as well. So 4 downs on each of these 2 chords. So that means we're gonna play 1 full string around on C, then 1 full on A minor, then F, whatever chord you go for there, grip version, you're gonna play 4 downs, then D minor, 4 downs, and then back to A minor, 1 full round. And that will be the chord progression round. So I'm going to play 1 round for you slowly and then speed up a couple of rounds in standard tempo. Alright guys, so there you have it, Harry Styles, Taste Back. That will be the starting of the tutorials I'm gonna bring out here for you guys for the new album. So yeah, stay tuned here for next upload. Hope you liked this one. If you did, leave me a comment of whatever I could do better, whatever you liked. And yeah, thank you so much for the time. Stay tuned.